Hi children, here is an interesting exercise for you. We are looking at adjectives. You will identify in the sentence adjective and also find the opposite of that. So we're going to look at the sentence, find the adjective, underline. You'll also find opposite of the underlined adjectives. It's a very interesting exercise. Look at the picture. Let's go on to our first picture. Underline the adjectives. Okay? Look. Here you have beautiful picture. What do you see here? You have a leopard. Look, from the spots you know this is a leopard. And you have a tiny little insect here. And let's read the sentence and identify the adjective. First sentence. The leopard is big. What's the size of the leopard? Is it big or small? Big. So in this sentence, leopard is noun, big, says the leopard is big. Describing how big, how huge. So underline big. The leopard is big. So we underline the word, the adjective big. Now let's read the sentence here. The ant is small. Look at the ant. The ant is small. What describes the ant? And is small. What is the opposite of big? Small. What describes the ant? The ant is small. So here the adjective that describes the ant is small. We underline small. Now look at. We have here the leopard being big. What is the opposite of big? Small. Big, small. And that's what we are doing. Okay? So today we are looking at the adjectives that describes each animal. And you find these adjectives are also opposite, big, small. Please read this again. The leopard is big. The ant is small. Big, opposite, small. Did you enjoy, children? Let's take another picture. And look at the word that describes the picture. And then find the opposite. Look. What is this? A cup of tea. And here, a ice cream. Let's read the sentence. The tea is hot. Where is the tea? In the cup. The tea is hot. You can have cold tea, hot tea. And here the tea is hot. Hot is a describing word. Describes what kind of tea it is. Is it hot tea? Yes, hot. So the tea is hot. Hot is a describing word. So we underline the word hot. The tea is hot. Now let's look here. Read. The ice cream is cold. The ice cream is cold. What describes the ice cream? It's cold. The descriptive word is cold. So we underline cold. Yes? Now, look. Hot describes the tea. Cold describes the ice cream. Now look. Opposite of hot is cold. Hot, cold. Did you enjoy the exercise? Good. Let's take another picture. Look what you have. We have door here. We have another door here. Let's read the sentence. This door is open. So this door is open. Open. The word open describes the word door. The door is open. So we underline the word open. It says the door is open. Look, this door is shut. Shut describes this door. This door opened, this door shut. Now shut describes the door here. So we underline shut. Found two descriptive words. Open. This door open, this door shut. Now look. Open. The opposite of open is shut. This door open, opposite of open is shut. So first we found the descriptive word, next we found the opposite of the descriptive words. Open, shut. Let's read the sentence. This door is open. This door is shut. Open, shut. Did you enjoy, children? Let's take another picture. Look. We have two kids here. There's a little boy here. There's a little girl here. Let's read the sentence. The boy is happy. Happy. The word happy describes the boy. What mood he is in. Yeah, he's in a very happy mood. Happy describes the boy. So we underline the word happy. Happy. How did the boy look? Boy looked very happy. So the boy is happy. Now look at this little girl. Let's read the sentence. The girl is sad. The girl is sad. The word sad describes the little girl. How is she feeling now? She's feeling very sad. So we underline sad. The boy is happy. The girl is sad. Now, look at the two descriptive words. Happy, sad. Happy. Opposite of happy is sad. Opposite of happy is sad. Read the sentence again. The boy is happy. The girl is sad. Opposite of happy, sad. Did you like this exercise? Let's look at another picture. Look. We have here something and you have a little lovely soft pillow over there. What is this? Rock. Let's read the sentence. The rock is hard. The rock is hard. The word hard describes the rock. The rock is hard. So we underline the word hard. That tells us more about the rock. The rock is hard. Look at this sentence. The cushion is soft. There's a lovely little cushion here. Where do you keep the cushion? You keep the cushion on a sofa. The cushion is soft. The word soft describes the kind of cushion. Cushion is soft. So we underline soft. Look at the sentences. The rock is hard. The cushion is soft. Now, look at the two descriptive words. Hard. Soft. The opposite of hard is soft. The rock is hard. The cushion is soft. So we learn hard, soft. Did you enjoy? Good. Let's look at another picture. Look. What do you see here? You have a crane here. You have a crow here. Let's read. The crane is white. What is the color of the crane? White. The color white describes the crane. The crane is white. So we underline the word white, describing the crane, being white. So we underline. The crane is white. What is the color of the crane? White. Look. Look at the next sentence. The crow is black. What is the color of the crow? Black. The crow is black. So we underline the descriptive word black tells us that crow is black. So we underline black. Black crow. White crane. Now, the crane is white. The crow is black. Look at the two descriptive words, white, black. The opposite of white is black. Opposite of white, black. The crane is white. The crow is black. White, black. Did you enjoy, children? Let's take another picture. Look what you have here. Spider. Where do you find spider? In the garden, in the corner of your house, there are spiders. Yes? Spider. And here you have a grasshopper. Where do you find him? In the green, amidst the green grass, in the garden. On a sunny day, if you go out and look into the garden, you will see a grasshopper jumping about, eating up all the tender leaves, soft leaves, juicy leaves. Let's read the sentences. The spider has 8 legs. What describes the spider? 8 legs, having 8 legs. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The spider has 8 legs. So 8 legs. 8 describes the spider. How many legs the spider has? 8 legs. So we underline 8. The descriptive word for the spider is 8. He's got 8 legs. Look at this sentence. The grasshopper has 6 legs. How many legs the grasshopper has? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 legs. So 6 describes the grasshopper. 8 legs describes the spider. Now, the spider has 8 legs. The grasshopper has 6 legs. Look. 8. Opposite of 8. 6. This one has got 8 legs. This one has got 6 legs. Did you enjoy, children? Good. Let's take another picture. Look what you have here. You love to eat this, do you? Apple. Yes, and this leaf. Red apple, green leaf. Let's read the sentence. The apple is red. What describes the apple? The color red. So we underline red. There are red apples, green apples, golden apples. This apple is red. So we underline red. What's the color of this apple? Red. Red is the descriptive word to tell us what color the apple is. Look at the next sentence. The leaf is green. Sometimes you find yellow leaf, brown leaf. Here, the leaf is green. So we underline the descriptive word green. The leaf is green. The apple is red. Let's look at the two describing words. Red, green. Opposite of red is green. The apple is red. The leaf is green. Opposite of red, green. Good. Let's take a picture. Look what you have. Look at this picture. What is this? Ball. You like to play with the ball. Yes? And here, there's a mirror. Let's read the sentence. The ball is round. The ball is round. It's full of air inside. Perfect circle. Round. What describes the ball? The ball is round. So we underline round. The word round describes the ball. Round ball. Good. Next, look at this mirror. The mirror is oval. What's the shape of the mirror? Oval. The shape of the mirror is oval, so we underline the word oval. The bowl is round, the mirror is oval, opposite of round, oval. Opposite of word round, oval. You learn to read, you learn to identify descriptive words, you also learn the opposite. The descriptive words are opposite. Did you enjoy the exercise, children? Good.